Good morning, students. Welcome to Geography class. Today, we are going to explore Chapter 1, How and Where Do People Live? You may open your book. As we know, 50% of the total global population live in urban area. We can also say urban environment. Urban environment is a built-up area such as a town or city with a large number of people and buildings. Where do people mostly live in urban area? They mostly live in the city. Why? That's because they want to find a job. Can you identify these cities from around the world? I give you 3 minutes to guess and write down the name of the city on your notebook. So children, look at the picture of population living in urban environment. What do you notice? We can see that population living in urban environment is grown rapidly and still growing until now. The growing process we call urbanization, which is the increasing of percentage of people living in the city. That makes the city more urban. To that point, we want to learn about why do people live mostly in city. That's why we need to understand what is the features of cities and the challenges of living in cities. As the features of cities, we know that a city is a large human settlement. Cities generally have extensive systems for housing, transportation, sanitation, utilities, land use, and communication. On the other side, we know that living in a city is a challenge because living in a city can be very complex. If you are not very good at conversing with people, living in a city will be hard. You have to constantly deal with various types of people. If not, city life is really hard. You may face the air pollution. Air pollution is becoming a big challenge. Living in city means living between cars and their smoke. If you are not used to a life where you have to constantly deal with smoke and dust, living in a city is challenging. You may also face the joblessness problem, housing problem, water problem, even health and nutrition problems. Now I want you to do the exploring from your textbook page 12 and do the workbook page 3 to 5 activity 1. Write all your answer in your notebook and along with the previous quiz, take a picture of it and don't forget to submit your work through my personal chat on WhatsApp. Thank you.